There's quite a few things about our new Duo Serum that I absolutely love. And as you know, I've just finished my first bottle. I'm going to point out all of my favourite things about this product. So you'll notice it comes with the ingredients in 2 separate chambers. And this is designed to help keep the ingredients stable. You have your vitamin C and B3, which is actually niacinamide. Those 2 ingredients combined really help boost the radiance in your skin, and that's something we all need when you get to my age. And on the other side, we have what we call collagen peptides, and they're designed to help boost collagen production in your skin. One of the best ways I've found to use this is if you want to just apply it to your face, you'll need 2 pumps. But if you want to do your neck as well, I tend to use 3. So when you put it out, I pop it onto my hand just like this. You'll notice the 2 ingredients come out separately. You then blend the 2 together and apply it, massage it really gently all over your face and neck. So you're not getting only all the goodness from the ingredients, but you get that instant glow on your skin as well.